In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a TXT record in GoDaddy. Now, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of domain management. Our journey begins by you signing into your GoDaddy account. This is your first step in managing your online space. After you have successfully logged in, we need to locate your domain portfolio. This is essentially your collection of all the domains that you own or manage. Within your domain portfolio, your task is to find and select the particular domain where you wish to add the TXT record. It could be any domain from your vast collection. Just choose the one that you're focusing on today. Our next step takes us to the DNS settings, which is short for Domain Name System. This system is like the directory of the Internet, connecting domain names with their related IP addresses. To dig into the details of your selected domain, search for and click on the label saying either DNS or Manage DNS from the Domain Settings page. At this point, we're ready to create something new. Seek out the button or option that refers to Add New Record. Depending on the visual theme of your GoDaddy dashboard, it could be nestled anywhere, but generally, it's found towards the top or bottom of the DNS settings page. Once you've found it, click on it with gusto. This is your moment of creation. With your new record window open, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Type. This is where you tell GoDaddy what kind of record you wish to create. From this list, pick TXT. This is a text record, typically used to verify domain ownership, establish secure email protocols, and more. Next, let's dive into the details. This is where you customize the TXT record to suit your specific needs. Starting with the name or host field. Often the information you enter here is simply @ This means the TXT record is for the base domain. However, if the service you are using provides a specific name, like Google-domain key, then that's what you'll enter instead. After that, look for the value field. The value field is where you insert the actual data of the TXT record. Generally, this is provided by the service for which you are creating the TXT record. It could be a sequence of characters from Google, Microsoft, or Zoho. Ensure you enter this string exactly as given to you by the service. Then comes TTL, your time to live. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. You can generally leave the TTL at its default value, which is often 1 hour or 3,600 seconds. That's all you need to know about TTL for this task. Last but not least, hit that Save button to add the new record to your DNS settings. Breathe a sigh of relief. You have successfully added a TXT record in GoDaddy. Now, stick around for my next tutorial, where we will explore more about domain management strategies and why they're important for your online presence. Until next time, happy tinkering with your domains.